How to use blockchain.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can use blockchain.com. Now it's just a beginner's guide, so I'll just show you a quick way on how you can send crypto, receive crypto, or how you can trade crypto. Now, in order to receive a crypto, you'll need to provide your crypto wallet address to the particular person or particular user that is trying to send the crypto to you. For example, if you want to receive crypto, first you on the blockchain.com. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you on the application due to the security issues. I'm unable to screen record on it, so I'm showing it here on the blockchain. You can see I'm on the web. So you're gonna tap on receive, and once you tap on receive here, now you'll be able to search in for particular crypto wallet address. So here you can see at the very top the Bitcoin. So you're gonna tap on it and you'll get the address here. I'll just tap on it, and you can see you'll get the QR code or you'll get the address. So you can either copy the address and you can send it to the person or the user that is trying to send the wallet to, or you can use it if you're trying to send it from another wallet to your wallet. Then you can head over to that particular wallet and you can head over to withdraw option, and there you want to enter in or paste in the address, or you can scan the QR code directly. If you're willing to buy crypto, you'll get the buy crypto now option. You'll get the buy option. You can simply tap on buy now and head over to the crypto page where you want to first enter or deposit in the amount on your account, and then you'll be able to make. Similarly, you get the trade option where you'll be able to get all the sort of options for the shortcuts for buy, sell, swap, deposit, and withdraw. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Now this was just a basic, so if you want a detailed video on it, do comment down below as well.